Hello viewers, in this video we will see the solution for software project management week 10 assignment 10. First question, system accounting denotes keep tracking of. We'll see this one. So system accounting denotes keep track of who made particular change to a configuration item, what change was exactly made and when the change was made. And in addition to this, 3. You can see user may wish to compare today's version of some software with yesterday's version of last year's version. So version and revision. So all of this. Option E. Who made a particular change to configuration? What change was exactly made? When the change was made? Every version and revision. All of this. Second one. Which one of the following most closely characterizes software configuration management? So software configuration management, you can see here, is concerned with the tracking and controlling changes to a software. And the key is, so what various work products such as code, design, document, these things. So one more thing, what you mean by artifacts? So artifacts means work products of a software project such as code slash design document. So you can see here what is a configuration management, the set of activities through which the configuration items are managed and maintained as the product undergoes its life cycle phases. So the answer here is it is used to ensure that all artifacts associated with the project are consistent and updated. Uncontrolled work products are uncontrolled products. So you can see here types of three main categories: controlled, pre-controlled, uncontrolled. So we'll see here what is uncontrolled. So uncontrolled product work products will not be subject to configuration control. Will not be. So so the answer is those those that will not be subject to configuration control. Option D. Option D. Those that will not be subject to configuration control. Fourth one, which of the following project management tools are not open source? Open source. So project management tools, Gantt project is free. Microsoft. We can see here uh, Gantt project, Microsoft project, Primavera Shore Track. Here open source. So Gantt project is open source. Remaining are not open source. So we can tick here uh, Microsoft and Primavera. Project Liber is open source. Fifth one, which is true concerning customized off the shelf software. So you can see here types of contract, bespoke system, off the shelf package, customized off the shelf COTS software. A core system, it is a core system, is customized to meet needs of the client. Customized to meet needs of the client. So it is a core system which is customized to meet the needs of the client. C, option C. So in time and materials contract, how is the price calculated? Time. So types of contract: fixed price contracts, time and materials contract, fixed price per delivery unit. So we are concerned with the time and materials contract is charged at a fixed rate per unit of effort. Per unit of effort. So the customer is charged based on, not that one. So the customer is charged at a fixed price per unit of effort. Option B. Seventh one. Which of the following are not true regarding fixed price contracts? Seventh one. So fixed price contracts. In this case, the price is fixed. When the contract is signed, the customer knows that if there are no changes in the contract terms, this price, this is the price they will pay on completion. I'll read. The customer knows that if there are no changes in the contract terms, this is the price they will pay on the completion. The customer's requirement has to be fixed at the beginning, at the outset, beginning or outset. The detailed requirements analysis have been done. That is done. So once the development is under the way, customer cannot change the requirements without renegotiating for the price on the contract. So the answer is, you can see here, the customer is charged at a fixed rate per unit of effort. It is false. And the functional point counting is used for calculating the price to be quoted. This is also false. Remaining are true. The price is fixed when the contract is signed. The customer requirement has to be fixed at the outset. Once the development is underway, the customer cannot change their requirements without renegotiating the price of the contract. Eighth one, which of the following contract selection procedure is likely to result in the lowest price bid? So that we'll see now. Types of software contracts: open tendering process, restricted tendering process, negotiated tendering process. So open tendering is the lowest. It is, so open tendering likely to result in lowest prices. Option A. Which of the following are services? Ninth one. So services are training, documentation, installation, conversion of existing files, maintenance agreement, transitional insurance arrangements. So here services are option C and option D. Transitional insurance arrangement and documentation. Last one, we will see which of the following are important reasons for prematurely terminating a project. Prematurely terminating a project. So, reasons for prematurely terminating a project: lack of resources, changed business needs of the customer, the perceived benefits accruing from the project no longer remain valid. Example: meanwhile, computers arrive in the market. You can see other reasons: incomplete requirements, changes to the regulatory policies, some key technologies used in the project have become obsolete during project execution, risks become unacceptably high. So we can find all this here. So change the business needs of the customer, the pursued benefits accruing from the project no longer remain valid, having incomplete requirements, changes to the regulatory policies, some key technologies used in the project have become obsolete during the project execution, risks become unacceptably high. All of this. Z. G is. Thank you, viewers.